You have a CRM, you know it's built on GoHighLevel, or maybe you think it's built on GoHighLevel, but you start to ask yourself, how in the world do I update all the different features within this thing? How do I get it to work for me? I want it to be seamless, effective, efficient, and I am not going to be the IT guy. Well, you've come to the exact correct channel. What we're going to do at M Suite CRM, powered by Mickey Growth, is help you to understand how to optimize your existing CRM, particularly if it's built on the backbone of HighLevel, formerly known as GoHighLevel. And if you're an M Suite customer, this is just the tip of the iceberg for all of the support you've got incredible access to. Hi, my name is Coach Gary. I'm owner of Mickey Growth and M Suite CRM, powered by Mickey Growth. My job here today is to help you through this channel find practical solutions without any BS, without upsells, without product placements, to just answer your questions. I deal with business owners every day who are trying to figure out, how the heck do I get my CRM to work for me? How do I make it happen without spending all day doing it or hiring expensive freelancers to help me with the build out? So we've got you covered. Again, welcome. Thank you for checking out our channel. I encourage you, please hit subscribe so you stay up to date on all new videos. And if there's a topic that you need more information on, please put it in the comments, send us a message, or reach out to us directly at info@msuitecrm.io. We'll be happy to get you some information. Whether you're an existing M Suite customer, a future M Suite customer, or you just need help with your singular question.